is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is KCee Motors. We are on our way with the family to pick up a bike we are purchasing. It's a 2017 Vulcan. Y'all are gonna see it, maybe the thumbnail, maybe not, but we are on our way right now. We're about 20 minutes out, so we're gonna go pick this thing up, and this week hopefully we get rid of this and the side-by-side, and hopefully we can make some money. So just wanted to let you guys know what we're doing. We are gonna
hopefully.
We will make money on these. I'm starting to buy better and make sure we're buying right. So we'll make some money on these. We're gonna go and pick this up, and then and another thing is we also have a special surprise we won at an auction. Pretty cool, pretty significant for us, not only for business but also just for personal and for future business with her as well. I'll wait to show you that video when we go down and pick that up next week. Anyways, I'll show you guys the bike when we get there. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and y'all know what to do. HTB, hit that bell, like and subscribe. Go check out the other channel, Wrestling the Wilkinsons. We have 100 subscribers on there, so y'all go be the next few. And let's get to this bike and to this bag and to this money. There she is, y'all. Second unit that we got right now, the 2017 Kawasaki Vulcan. Pretty clean. It needs a front tire. It's got an exhaust on it. There's a few things that we have down there that we'll go over too. I think this week. Jump in. So this weekend, today is Saturday. This weekend, I think we're gonna try to get rid of or get these things both cleaned up. I'm gonna try to take them both, this and the unit I showed you guys last video, take both of these to the car wash, get them nice and clean. It's been raining a whole bunch. Yes, they've partially sat out here in the rain, and they have tarps on them, so hopefully it cut the rain out some. But we're gonna take these things and get them nice and clean, detail the inside of the side-by-side, and then we're gonna clean the bike itself, and we're probably gonna change a few things on the bike before we actually take it to a dealer to sell. So we might try to get rid of the side-by-side first, get that thing gone this weekend, or I should say early next week, hopefully maybe on Tuesday, because most places are closed Sunday, Monday. So try to get it and take it to where it needs to go on Tuesday so we can sell it and make some money back on that. We'll see. We have a few things to do. We're gonna get that bike off of it in a little bit. First though, we're gonna go do something, probably go and get something to eat, and then he wants to go to the park. So we might go do that before it gets too crazy hot. Come back, relax, and then later today, we'll try to unload this bike and hopefully maybe work on it some today. If not, we'll probably work on it sometime tomorrow or Monday, and then get it ready to sell on Tuesday. I saw that, dude. Put the glove on. Good job, dude. It's on the wrong hand though.
Oh, right. Yeah, like that.
There you go.
It's bigger in his ass.
There you go, just like that. That's kind of our plan for the weekend. Hopefully we can make it happen. Plus we have stuff around the house we have to get done. JC's sleeping, she's not feeling well. As you guys may or may not know, because you guys are part of the business channel, y'all should go check out the Wrestling the Wilkinsons page. That one actually has our reveal. So we're actually having a third baby. Go check that video out. I'll put the link in the description just so you guys can go watch it, show you guys what we're having, and kind of a cool video, kind of a compilation over the last 6 months of her pregnancy with pictures and stuff. Thank you guys for watching so much. HTB, hit that bell. You guys know the whole 9 yards. We're gonna try to make some money this week. 2 units. I'm gonna show you each of them, show you what we do with both. As soon as we're done, I'm hopefully gonna get this side-by-side worked on Monday, or tomorrow. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh yeah, just get the next bottom one. What is up, everybody? Boy, it is hot out here. How hot is it, Leila?
Like 100.
Yeah, it's 100 degrees with like 90% humidity or something really high. Boy, this is hot, hot, hot. We're back in the garage, so y'all know what that means. That means we're putting in some work on something. And I didn't even go over this bike with y'all yesterday, or really anytime. We picked up 2 units. We're gonna drive it around and try to sell it all. We're gonna send out the lists in the morning. And if there's anybody who's interested, we're gonna drive that route. And then at that point, we'll kind of stop for the side-by-side along the route for this bike. But just so y'all can see what it is, shout out to Panda Coop if y'all want to go follow him on Instagram. This is a 2017 Vulcan Oh, dude. Boy, I don't know if my battery's gonna last because of how hot it is. So this is a 2017. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Which way? This
To
way?
your left. Lefty loosey, remember? So this is a 2017 Vulcan S ABS.
All the way?
Yep. Underneath it. So what we're doing, because you're probably wondering, well, that's a great way to start the video of working on it. So the guy did some modifications to it. He changed the bars and he made an exhaust, and he took off a few things like the front turning signals, mirrors, things like that. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna put the original bars back on because these bars don't really fit the best and I want it to be as good as possible. So we're gonna put the old bars on and see how it fits. Once we do that, then we're gonna put the mirrors on and the headlights or the blinkers and probably leave it at that. We did get an extra of the original fairing, basically how the Vulcan sits. I don't know if I want to use it. I might see if I can put the headlight on because there is an aftermarket headlight on this thing, but I don't know, I kind of like it the way it looks and I might just give it to a dealer and let them know, hey, I have it if you want to put it on. But we're gonna put all this stuff back so that way we can have it as close to stock as possible with all the things needed. Is it loose?
Yeah, it's loose.
Nope, not quite yet. I guess that is loose. Hold on really quick because I don't know where I left off. Now we're taking these bars off and we're gonna swap them with the original stock bars. Hold on. We will probably have to, yeah. One problem I'm noticing though is that this grip, I think they glued on. I might be able to get that off. But yeah, we're figuring that out as we go. We just got the bars off and unbolted, so we're gonna put the new ones on. And after that, we'll mock up all the mirrors and all the blinkers and all that stuff. Make sure those are all connected in there correctly. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We're gonna get to it and we'll give you guys an update when we get the new bars on, mirrors and lights. So let's get at it.
And then,
What is up, everybody? So we are back at it. It's hot, man. We had to take our shirt off. It is stupid hot out here. We were able to get this bike to look a little bit better. We put on a few things. We're not exactly done yet. I have to figure out where the connections are for the front headlights, so I'm gonna go do a little bit of research on that. But yeah, I mean, this bike is coming along pretty well. I mean, so we put the mirrors back on. We put the original bars on. So as you guys remember, the other bars sat like right down here. And now they're higher like the original bars do, and it looks definitely more Vulcan. Definitely looks a little bit nicer that way. And then we added the front headlights. Like I said, we just put them on. We haven't added anything, like hooked them up yet. But yeah, I mean, I think we're done for now, for a little while at least. It's way too hot to be out here for a long time, and Leland has baseball a little bit later today, so we're just gonna go inside for a little while and relax. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure HTB, hit that bell, like and subscribe, the whole 9 yards. Y'all know what to do. Run those numbers all the way up so we can keep bringing you content like this. Not excuse all that stuff over there. We're moving here shortly, so this is all extra baby stuff and all the fun stuff that we are getting rid of, or we have away in storage that we are gonna use for summer. But give you guys more content like this. But we got this together. Shout out to Leland for helping. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.